Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. This website name is Kiddyearner, and this website is 0% investment, accept payment. This is the method I pay you in faucetpay and Coinbase. And this is the all features that this website have, and you can earn. And in here you see the coin earn, total users, and total withdrawal this website pay. And let's go how you can register yourself. Click register, put your email, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account. I have already an account, just I put my email and password, self a captcha, and just click sign in. And in here how you can start earning. First of all, click the three dot in here. You can start your earning from three dot. First of all is a faucet capture. Claim. It's a faucet you can claim with a timer to pay you some amount. Okay. Right now you can see this much coin this website pay. It's right now ready 100 time claim per day. It's a no limit till you. Every 1 hour this will be updated automatically. First of all, solve this capture is hand capture is a 7, 9, 6, and then find a flag in here and click it and come down and just click claim. You can easily claim your faucet from this website. It's too easy, not too hard. Claim a faucet. Okay, this ad will be annoying me. Okay, no problem. In here another way is a PTC. You can watch PTC advertisement. In here you can see 80 PTC is available. Why to show you 25? Because one type is window PTC, the window active PTC. Another type is you can just click it, watch it, and solve a capture. Okay, you can see it's a 30-second. You watch this advertisement, this will be pay you some coins. You can easily claim your balance. And in the last I share with you the withdrawal proof from this website. Did this website pay me or not? Okay, it's a 9-second left and a 6. It's not too hard to watch advertisement. In here just click the key and just click verify. Close the pop-up ads or the page will be show you. Okay, this advertisement is a little bit annoying. The next way is a window active. In here is another 24. It's a 7 window active available. You can just click it, show you a window active, and you didn't close that window after 5 seconds. That will be good. The next way is a short links. You can complete the short links. 22 short links available. This much coin you can earn from the short links you completed. And the next way is stocking. You can invest in here. I didn't recommend you investing in here. If you want, invest with your own risk. Another way is offer wall auto faucet. You know what the ways. Have another way to you can make it. And next way is achievements. After you complete the achievements, you come back in here, you can claim your rewards every day. And right now I go to the withdrawal to this website, pay me my withdrawal or not. Okay, sorry about that. First of all, this website tell you faucetpay and Coinbase. Put your wallet address. It means your faucetpay email address or Coinbase email address. And you can see this will be pay me faucetpay. This is in Coinbase and faucetpay. Okay, you can just click one of these and just click withdraw. If I have a specific balance, this will be pay you. You can see this website send me my amount to my faucetpay. And you can see this website send me my amount. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.